My daughter Ellie is 5 years old and in pre-kindergarten at a Montessori school. Part of every student's development is learning how to learn and becoming aware of strengths and challenges with each new learning opportunity. Ellie is a good example of the beginning of this process. Even at a young age, Ellie can be motivated, knowledgeable, and strategic about her learning. Let's first look at how Ellie is strategic.
Now, I know your teachers talk a lot about being focused when you're working. What does that word mean?
That means concentrating.
Concentrating. What does concentrating mean to you?
Like paying right attention.
Is that hard sometimes?
Sometimes it is when there's a lot of noise.
When there's noise, you find distracting. So what do you do about that?
I ask the room to be quiet.
You ask the room to be quiet. Is your room at school generally quiet, or is it generally loud?
Mostly loud.
It's loud. Why is it loud?
It's because all the other people are using their loud voices.
And everybody's working on different materials, right? Do the teachers ever go ahead?
And also all the works make different sounds, and some of them are a little loud.
Is that something that's hard about your school environment for you? Yeah. So do you have any strategies or ideas about how to deal with that? You said you asked the room to be quiet. Is there anything else that you do?
Like, I asked some people to be a little quiet, the ones that were making a bunch of big noises.
What do you do when you know you have to learn a new song?
I sort of like echo.
You echo? What does that mean?
It means repeating after.
Repeating after what the teacher says, and that helps you learn the new song?
Yeah, and also they always do the repeating game when we're learning a new song.
They do the repeating game. How does that help you learn the song?
Because they do a word and then we do it after, but if it's hard, then the teacher does it every time with us on the second time when we are echoing back.
So that's the strategy that you do together with your teacher when something's hard, they say. When you're learning a new song, you just do it bit by bit. You listen to the teacher and then you do it. Is that right?
Ellie seeks out new knowledge, knows when to seek help, and where to find resources.
So last year you started taking Chinese. Do you remember why you started taking Chinese?
Because I wanted to be in the class with Nika.
With your friend, right? Yeah. Nika didn't take Chinese with you again this year, did she? What did she take instead?
She takes yoga.
So how did you decide that you wanted to take Chinese again?
Because I thought I'd learn more in Chinese.
Than if you took yoga? Can you think of something that you had to practice really hard in order to get it down right?
That's one thing that I had to do when I was doing my challenging words. It took me a while to get me used to being in the new year and also to do all the new work.
For you.
It's because it's hard for me to know what the words are and things, and it's hard for me to remember every sound and things. So it's hard for me to do it sometimes.
How do you feel when you're working on it and it feels hard?
I just keep working on it and sounding it out.
You just keep going even if it feels really hard?
Yeah.
What makes you on this inside want to do it more even though it's really hard?
We need to like keep on doing it because the teachers say for us to just keep on reading.
Keep on doing it. Do the teachers give you support if you're having trouble?
They sort of sound it out for us and then we say it after.
So they do a little bit or they do a lot?
They do as much as we need help.
As much
So
as you need help with.
only for that one single bit.
A lot of Ellie's strengths are in the area of affect and self-motivation.
Do you like school, Ellie? Yeah? What do you like about it the most?
I really like learning.
You really like learning? What do you like about learning?
I get to do like math and things.
What's the thing that you like least about school?
I think it might be nothing.
Nothing. Oh, come on, there must be something. Anything? No? Okay, well, that's great.